Go yum.
Really? Hello YouTube, all our friends and subscribers. Before I start this week's video, I want to show you something very important. When you subscribe, you need to click the bell until it turns black. That means you will get a notification each time we post a new video. If the bell is not black, you won't receive notifications. Here is a quick screenshot tutorial on how to do this. First, go to our channel, Realistic Truck Camping. Next to where it says subscribed, there is a bell icon. Click this icon and you will have three choices: all, personalized, and none. When you choose the top one, all, the bell turns black. If you have subscribed and the bell is not black, you will not get any notifications when we post a new video. Please make sure your subscriber bell has turned black by clicking on all. Thank you. This week we finally filled our freshwater tank to test out the pump and valves. This is something I should have done when we bought the camper, but we were under time pressure after traveling so far. I did a pretty thorough inspection and we relied on the seller's word that everything was okay. As it turned out, it was. This is our first time to fill water in this camper. This is something we should have done when we first bought it, but we just didn't have the time. We're going to fill it up and then test all the pumps and valves and faucets. So we're going to start now.
Okay.
All right. This is where I store my water hose. Okay. We found this faucet the outside of our apartment complex, but it has no handle. So I brought my own handle. This is a portable handle for water faucets. Let's get started here. Just This is a Camco RV water tank filler with shut-off valve. It features a 5/8 inch tube and really helps us to fill our water tank. Full tank. What a job that was, but at least it's done. Now we have water in our camper. First time fill up.
We turned on the pump and checked if everything works. The shower works fine, but we found a very slight leak in the shower head where it attaches to the hose.
That's a slow leaker. See, right here.
Yeah, we got a leak. All the sinks seem to run well. And the toilet flushes. The pumps and valves work perfectly. So far, so good. We bought locks to secure our tie-downs. Since installing the tie-downs is somewhat easy, I have to do it myself.
No, that's way too far out.
Is it?
Yeah.
They're the same right there, okay?
And they're both too far out. All right.
What about that one?
It's better.
I'll see if it works.
Of course it works.
See? It's too far. Maybe you're doing like that, but it's not recording. Okay, go yum. This one's just perfect. Look, see?
That one might be too tight.
That's perfect. Look. Give me the keys. Gonna do it like that.
Are they supposed to be loose like that? As long as it's locked, right? Try opening the screw. Nothing. Good. Yeah.
Now we can leave the tie downs in place without having to worry about someone stealing them.
Almost everything is checked out now on the camper, and we are planning to make another shakeout run very soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep it real.